Hi everyone, it's Mr. Luequee and welcome to Learning with Luequee. And on today's video, I've got a special game for all of you to play, and it's a memory game. So what's going to happen is after the intro, there's going to be 10 objects on the conveyor belt. And after you watch the video, I want you to try and say all the objects you remember, or use your phonics knowledge to write all of them down. If you think 10's a bit too tricky, you can pause the video after 5 objects and say them or write them down. So good luck everyone, and let's get into it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. A mug. A pen. A fork. A candle. A mouse. Keys. Glue. A bottle. Switch. And a book. Alright, so how well did you do in the game? Leave a comment and tell me how well you did. If you liked the video, click the like button, and also if you want to see more videos from me, click the subscribe button. Take care everyone, bye!